In today's episode, we'll be diving into the world of shooting projectiles in Scratch. We'll see how to make your player character shoot. So let's get started. So I've put together a little starter project here. So it's basically a simple player character movement. And then there's also another sprite called Shell, which is basically the bullet that we're gonna create clones of to start shooting. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the turret back, and then you want to drag out a when green flag click block, and then drag in a forever loop, and then in the forever loop drag in a if then block. Then you want to put a key space pressed. Go into operators, drag out a O block, go into sensing, and then a mouse down block. Then you can drag mouse down into the first one, or key space pressed like that, and they're gonna put that into into this boolean slot here like that. And then in this empty area, you're gonna go to controls, and then create clone of myself. You're gonna change myself to the shell, and then you also want to keep a bit of delay, otherwise it's gonna like shoot insanely fast. So I think 0.5 works best, or 0.1. You can test around which works best for you. Then you're gonna go into the shell sprite, and then you're gonna drag out a when I start as a clone block. And then you want to do play sound, start sound, and also before that you want to show the sprite, because later we're gonna drag out a when green flag clicked, and then we're gonna hide the sprite. So after the start sound laser 1, we're going to go into control again, and then we're gonna drag out a repeat until, and then in the sensing category, you're gonna take out touching mouse pointer. You're gonna change mouse pointer to the edge, and then you want to move your preferred amount of steps. For me, it's probably a 9 or 8. Yeah, I like 8 best. You want to delete this clone. Okay. So now if you try that out, you can see. So this is where I kept my original sprite here. So if I hide that, when I'm pressing the mouse button or the space key, it's shooting from there. So what you want is the bullet to appear from the player sprite. So let's see how we can do that. You're gonna stop the program first, and then you're gonna go into the motion category, and then drag out a go to turret or your player character, and then you're gonna drag in a pointing direction, and then here in this slot you're gonna go into sensing, drag out backdrop number of stage. You're gonna change the stage to turret, and then you're gonna change the X position to direction. You can drag it there. So now if you see, it's shooting from the direction of a turret, and it's also on top of a turret, unlike before where it just shot from its original position. And then also another thing, after this show block, you want to go to looks, and then go to back layer. So what that does is it basically puts it behind the player. It looks more natural like that. It looks kind of like gun. So yeah, that's basically it for the shooting projectiles tutorial. So in the next episode, we're gonna cover about explosions, like enemy explosions and play explosions, that stuff. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. And I'll see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.